Welcome back everyone, Marty here with the next video in my Visual Basic Introduction series. If you've just joined, consider going back to the start of this series. It will help you get the most out of your Visual Basic experience. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Visual Studio 2019, which will allow you to use Visual Basic. First, you need to navigate to the Visual Studio website, which I have linked in the description. The page will look like this and give you three different options for downloading Visual Studio. There is also an option for Visual Studio Code, which I will cover in a future video series. For now, we will be downloading the community version of Visual Studio 2019 as it is the free version. As you get further into your programming journey, there may be a requirement for the professional or enterprise version. However, for this tutorial, the community edition is fine. Click on the free download button. The initial download from the website will be quick, as it is just a small file to start the actual download and installation. Execute the file that is just downloaded. Click Continue. The next step will take a while depending on your internet connection. I'll skip through most of this process, so you may need to pause the video while your computer catches up. Next, we want to select the .Net desktop development, as this covers Visual Basic. You can select other things if you want, but for this video series, this is all we will require. Keep in mind that the more options you choose, the more space it will take up, and currently it is just over 4.5 gigabytes. Again, as I said before, this will take a while, and I'll skip through most of it. You do not have to sign up for an account if you don't want to. Now the installation is complete, restart your computer and you're ready for the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to give it a like and check out the next video in this series.